What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the accident eyenzekile eSouth Coast, where imoto kamasipala ebithutha ishayise yabulala umuntu. I'm talking about this accident. We have seen this thing igcwele on social media and stuff like that, and people have mixed emotions about this whole thing, and abanye bathi we accident, abanye bethi no, it was self-defense. As you can see the guy right there, uphethe sound. So we're going to be looking at the video ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi azasweleke emhlabeni, because I have the video, the whole video, an actual video, but it's not for the sensitive viewers. So if you were not sensitive, you can stick around and watch the video. We're talking about this guy. I'm not gonna mention his name because I'm not sure whether the family ingakujabulela lokho, but I've seen also ukuthi EFF was trying now to campaign around his accident. Yeah, boom. Telling him ukuthi telling us ukuthi ene uyilokhuzana uyi-fighter. Now, if you are a fighter, yeah, well, you cannot there's some things that you can't do. Yeah, well, like standing in front of a umbambai or standing in front of a gun. Yeah, well, to compare to make sure you are a fight. We don't even know the story. Yokuthi ngempela bekuliwa noma bengaliwe, but because I want us to see ukuthi le accident yenzeke kanjani, ngizoyidlala ivideo right now, but please sinama comment vele at the end of the show, and I also took ama comment from abantu on social media, and I also want your take ukuthi wena ucabanga kanjani ngale lokhuzana ngale accident eyenzekile. And it's very unfortunate ukuthi if itruck ilethe service delivery and then ended up ithatha umphefumulo womuntu, and now sesila, we don't know what to do. Guys, you're watching Deppin Online Podcast, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world. Like ke bafethu kwesikhuluma nami ngane noma ingaziphi izimo, we don't care ukuthi no sikhuluma ngala, but today we are here. Let's play the video and see ukuthi nina your reaction ithini. Now here's the thing. It's a runaway train. Okay. I don't know. As who is wrong here? Is it an accident or is it a self-defense? Comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But yeah, sekuphume nama-analysis amaningi about this accident. Like I told you before, this was not for a sensitive warning, sensitive viewers. Okay, here's another analysis engibonile lapha ku social media. I don't know whether you guys agree with it or not. Lapha kuleli side leli no green likhombisa ukuthi udriver bengamboni Nhlobo lo bhuti, yabo, and lapha kuleya bhotel yellow, it's driver's lines offside, okusho ukuthi udriver yena bebuka ngaleya level noma ngaleya ndlela, yabo, and the guy uphethe isando, and also nalo mfethu lo bemile la bembuka lo mjita, kodwa akazange, I don't think umonishile udriver. But there's so many things ke emva kwalento enzeke lana ukuthi abantu bakhulumileke ngoba befuna ukwazi ukuthi kwayona le analysis ubani lo analysis lona o analyze izinto fast. Ake sicheke la ku social media. They might marinate him outside. or worse, use chemical engineering. Ish, yeah, I know. Umadibu lapha, it looks like the driver did what he had to do. The guy had no good intentions at all by the looks of things. Because we're petty sand. Definitely AI hand doesn't hold an object like that. Okay. Akhona-ke ama-comment-ke avelile laphana ku-social media. Amanye engiwa-pick up-ile that I think you guys can maybe have an interest into, and maybe we can talk about i-comment section. Kanti yini ukushayisa, guys? Ungafike ulwe nento bese if ukwehluleli bese uthi ikushayisile. Lana bekuliwa kwawina owinayo, kwahlulwa ohlulekile, not mashayisana. Kwahlezi kudlala ngathi nje isando siyavela if ubukisisa kahle, and laba abavela kugcineni kwevideo baphetheni cause kubukeka sengathi isibhamu siyabonakala if uzojongisisa kahle. Guys, what's your take on this thing? Is it an accident or is it a self-defense? I don't want to play that video again because ibuhlungu kakhulu, and nami I won't like if ubra wami or a member of my family izoshona kabuhlungu kanje. I think futhi also umasipala should be maybe have a compensation thizeni for i-loss yomuntu, because this is big, man. I mean, this is huge. This is not just like nje beshayisa inkukhu. That's a human being. Worse, he was a member of EFF. Yeah, well. So, guys, what's your take on this? Please, asibambale lapha na comment section and discuss about this whole thing. Thank you so much, guys. And now we are monetized. We are looking forward to have 2,000 subscribers. By the way, you are watching Deppen Online podcast, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world. Ngingakujabulela nje ukuthi uqhubeke ubuka amanye ama-video that will pop up in your screen right now. Thank you. Danko.